Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go through some great features that will hopefully help the visually impaired. Essentially it's going to be some accessibility settings on the Fire Stick. Now this is an area that's pretty close to my heart. There's a pretty sort of severe vision condition that runs through my family. So anything I can do to sort of make people's lives easier with their Fire Stick, help give them a better experience, then why not? Okay, before we get to that, if I can ask the people to please subscribe to the channel, that would be very much appreciated. Give us a share, that would be great. Okay guys, let's get to the video. Right guys, the first thing I'm going to go through is called the Voice View Screen Reader. Now I think this is pretty impressive. Amazon in general have done a really good job with their accessibility settings. You know, for what you pay for the device, in UK here you bought 40-50 quid. I think they're really good, to be fair, what they offer compared to some devices obviously cost a lot more. So when you initially set up the device, you will need the Voice View Screen Reader to be active. Now to do that, all you need to do is press the back button and the menu button at the same time for 3 seconds.
Voice view
Turn
ready.
on.
Try Alexa.
Now,
Play the Grand
initially,
Tour
your
on Prime
first
Video.
time doing
Home,
this, it will
2 of
take you
12.
through a tutorial and
Use
obviously
left
just
and right to
explain,
move between
what
items.
buttons that you will need to use. Okay. Now, it's pretty straightforward from now on. It's using your same outer buttons here to navigate to where you want to go.
Sponsored. Recently used apps. Featured events. You Dynamite.
And use the
Episode
centre button
04 to
as normal
22. Jan 27. 1
to click
a.m.
on something.
Navigate. Recently used app. Home. 2 of 12.
We're going to head over to the settings
Use left
now.
and right to move between items. Find.
Settings.
Settings. 12 of 12. 1. Notification. Accessibility.
And
Row
we're going
3.
to click on
Column
the
2.
accessibility.
Use
tab.
left and right to accessibility. Subtitle 1 of 7.
Whilst at the accessibility
Use
section,
up and down to move
you've got
between
the
items.
voice view button
Show
here.
subtitles for
And
videos
takes
when
you into the
available.
voice view options.
Alexa's Voice View. Voice View Screen Reader. Voice View on 1 of 8.
And in the voice view options, you've got
Use
your,
up and down
you've
to
got your
move
reading
between
speed,
Provide
speech
spoken feedback
volume,
as you navigate
sound
items
volume,
on the screen.
and right at the bottom, you've also got the same tutorial that it will go through with you when you initially turn on the voice view.
Read the key echo. Characters 6 of 8. Punctuate. Voice View Tutorial 8 of 8.
If I go back,
Accessibility. Voice View 3 of 7.
you've also got screen
Use up and
magnifier,
down to move between items.
and I'm going to go through that with you in a
Manage
second.
voice guidance settings, including
you've also
turning
got
voice
high
view on and off,
contrast
reading speed and volume.
Text. Essentially, I've got that on at the moment. Essentially what that does, it just puts a border around the outside of the lettering or the image, and just make it stand out a bit more,
Text high con off. On.
as you can see. And
Audio
then you've got
description.
audio description.
7 of 7. Allows you to
I'm
add
just
an
gonna hit the
audio
home
track
button.
containing a home. 2
And to
of
turn
12.
it off, guys, it's the same
Use
button
left
it
and
was to
right
turn
to
it on.
move between
So,
items.
You've got the back button here, menu button, hold it for 3 seconds,
Voice view exiting.
and it's off. Very straightforward. Now I'm going to go through with you the screen magnifier. Okay. Now again, this is pretty straightforward to turn on. All you need to do is hold the back button and the fast forward button for 3 seconds. As you can see there, it comes up with the options for you on the screen. I'm just going to come off them a sec. And at the top right of the screen there, it will show you how far in magnetized you are currently, where you are on the screen, etc., etc. If I wanted to be more magnified than what we currently are, all I need to do is hold the menu button and the fast forward button, and that will go and zoom in further to what I need. So I can then go down and access what application that I want to, or settings for example. If you want to then zoom out, you just press the menu button, hold the menu button in, sorry, and press the rewind button, and it will zoom out again. If I'm going to zoom back in a sec, there we go. So again, it shows you where you are on the screen, so I can go all the way up to the top, all the way to the bottom, and it shows you in the top right hand side where you are on your device. And that's pretty much how to use the screen magnifier. Very easy, and obviously will help you a lot. And to turn it off, you press the same button again as what you did before, just holding the back button and the fast forward button, and that will turn it off. One more thing I'm going to show you quickly before we go is obviously you've got the Alexa button up here. Some of you, it will show as a microphone if you're on older devices, and if you press that in, you can also search for content that you want using your voice. So Cobra Kai, one of my favourite shows, and I can click on it, and you know, if you've got Netflix, it will probably bring up Netflix and you can watch that way. Go back again, downloader, and then I can click and open up downloader. Very straightforward, very easy to do. I hope the settings I've given you guys today help you out. If you could please, once again, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, share us, that would be much appreciated. Thanks very much for today guys, take care, bye.